What is up, guys? Jared here, back with another video. Today we actually have a very exciting video for you guys. As you guys know, I have the 435, the F32. It already has wheels. It's already sitting on BC racing coilovers. But there's actually one thing that I've always wanted and I've always dreamt of, is to have a fast car. So we're gonna go ahead and go full bolt-ons. All right. I actually have all the parts inside, so we got to go ahead and reverse the Beamer. We got to go ahead and reverse her, and then so I can load everything up in the trunk or whatever. You know the vibes. But let's reverse this thing. All right, guys. So I actually went ahead and put all my parts in there. Luckily, they fit pretty good, so shouldn't have any issues running down the road. Close that. Yeah, guys, let's get it. So we're actually going out to the shop because I'm definitely need a lift to go ahead and install this. I know people have done it. They've installed like downpipes, intercoolers, like, you know, on jack stands and stuff like that. But I have access to actual lifts, so that'll make my job way easier. So let's go ahead and head out to the shop, and then yeah, I'm probably gonna stop and get some breakfast or something because I'm super hungry right now. And look at this muggy morning. It's so muggy outside right now. But yeah, guys, let's get our day started. Let's have some fun. Let's go ahead and install these parts and let's make some freaking power. Let's make some fucking power, all right? Alright, guys, so pretty much old intercooler is off. We gotta install the new intercooler. I have taken out the old charge pipe. This is actually the old charge pipe. The first part of the charge pipe is actually in. You guys can't really see it since it's really dark, but it's right here. Hooked everything up. Now I just gotta add the second part. I'm gonna go underneath and add this second part to the charge pipe, and then we should be able to go ahead and install the intercooler. So that's how this is going. Did a record earlier just because I had to get this stuff started, but yeah, so let's go ahead and keep moving forward. Get it.
A few moments later.
Alright, guys, so it's currently about, I want to say about a week after I recorded these last clips, the last few clips. I didn't get to finish all the clips just because I was pretty much, you know, just focused on getting it done. I was focused on getting it done, and it took me a while. It took me almost a whole day to try to get all this stuff on there. But let me actually go over everything I did to the car so you guys can know exactly, you know, what a brief understanding of what I have done to the car, and what it has taken me to get to the power that, you know, I wanted it at. All right, guys, so first things first, we actually have a VRSF downpipe. All right, catless downpipe, so there is no cat in it at all. So that's one thing. We actually have, let me show you the rest of the stuff. That's probably the only thing you guys can't really see right now, would be the only thing you guys probably can't see right now would be the downpipe, but I'm gonna try to show you the rest of the parts that I actually installed, just because it's under the car, you know. But so as you guys can see, I actually have an ignition kit. All right, you can actually get this from, I'm pretty sure I got it off of Precision Works Racing. Got it off of Precision Works Racing for the N55. You want to do an ignition kit on an N55 before you do any other engine upgrades. So I said, if I'm actually gonna go ahead and put downpipes, charge pipes, the intercooler, I'm definitely go ahead and get an ignition kit. So it got new spark plugs, a new ignition kit. Second, we actually have the charge pipe. You can see it right there. That's also VRSF. All right, that's a VRSF charge pipe. Oh, you guys are not going to be able to go ahead and see the intercooler, but it does have a VRSF intercooler. All right, so a bigger intercooler. Apart from that, and then we got a cold air intake. It sucks that you guys can't really see because it's dark, but we do have a cold air intake, and that is Burger Motorsports. All right, so that's pretty good. The only thing is I don't really like how this fits. If anybody has any other idea on how that fits, but if it goes like that, manifold airflow, pretty much everything else fits pretty good on this air intake. The only thing that worries me is that it shakes like that. Now, I know what you guys are gonna say. I already know what you guys are gonna say. Jerry, you're full bolt-ons, but what does that do? It makes no good if you don't have a tune. I already thought about that. I am actually tuned. I actually am tuned on MHD. All right, so it's pretty much like a download tune you get. I'm on stage 2 plus. I usually keep this thing in there. So I am on stage 2 plus, pushing around 420. I can actually show you guys. So if anybody has an N55 or if anybody has a 435, you guys know that the dash says I think it's like 300 or 302 stock on the display. I'll show you guys what the tune actually says, just in case you guys were wondering, you know. She is a little rowdy. She is a little rowdy, guys. I'm gonna let her quiet down for just a little bit so you guys can actually hear what I'm saying. I'm gonna close the door because you're probably not gonna be able to hear what I say with the damn straight pipe out the back. But pretty much, if you go into the settings, right? If you go into your settings and then you go into Sport Plus, right? Sport Plus, boom. There it usually says, I think it says stock is like 302. Whenever you do the MHD tune, it brings it up to 480. And guys, it's definitely not 480. It's just, I guess it's like a guesstimate that they do. But it's not 480. You're probably looking at, realistically, you're probably looking at like 420 to 430, around there. But I'm telling you guys, if you guys want to wake this N55 up, go full bolt-ons. Do it. Go full bolt-ons and go ahead and get a tune. I'm on MHD. There's JB4. There's other piggyback setups that you can do for like your ECM and stuff like that. I went MHD just because I have heard good reviews on it, and I can't complain at all. Like, this thing pulls like a dream. It really does pull like a dream, and I haven't had any issues from it. I've had it like this about a week already. I just started editing the video, so I wanted to finish it. I wanted to finish this stuff off with you guys and let you know what my review is on all the bolt-ons and the tune. It really does wake this car up, guys. I hope you guys can actually, like, you know, if you guys are deciding, or if you guys want to, if you guys are thinking about going ahead and going full bolt-ons on your N55, I would definitely go ahead and do your research, see exactly what spark plugs you want to run, see exactly what ignition kit you want to run. I went VRSF everything, most of it, like your charge pipe. I went VRSF charge pipe, intercooler, and downpipe. All right, pretty much I have heard good reviews on them. There are other brands like Mishimoto that make intercoolers, stuff like that, but I mean, it's really doing your research. That's pretty much what it dumbs down to. So doing your research is very important, making sure that your car is getting the perfect tune as well, making sure your car is getting the perfect parts, performance out of in your liking. All right, I mean, you can go with the cheap stuff and then you can go with the expensive stuff. It's up to you guys on how you guys want to do it. But that's pretty much my review on how I like my full bolt-ons and everything, and how I'm enjoying it. Can't complain. I cannot complain. This car is stupid fun. Like, it wakes it up so crazy. But I guess this is actually where I'm gonna end today's video. All right, I hope you guys took something from this video. If you guys have any questions at all, hit me up on my Instagram at blessed_engine. I'm gonna leave it down in the bio, okay? I'm gonna leave it down in the description below. So go ahead and check that out. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys, so you guys know exactly when I post. All right, let's get it and stay blessed.